Hey guys, it's been a while. Forgive me, please. So today I decided to do my favorite subreddit, which is Young Kids YouTube. But honestly, I like to do anything that involves with young kids. Not to sound like the P word, but because like they're so dumb. Like kids are just so dumb. Like I can't believe I used to be a kid. Like was I that dumb when I was a kid? Anyways, not trying to roast kids here. Okay, well, I don't want to take up too much time, so enjoy the video. T. Oh my god. What's about to happen? S. R. Q. Whoa. Can you stop spitting out facts? Like, my house is literally flooding. Oh my god. Oh, that was so bad. That was the worst joke I ever made. I don't even know why I'm making these videos. Like, no one even watches them. Like, comment down below if you watch my videos. I'm gonna get like 0, like, comments. Who ate your ear? Poor Gummy Bear. Not gonna lie, that was kind of cute. Meanwhile, this guy is like, me. This person probably broke this poor kid's heart. Oh my god, we have another Gummy Bear one. Okay. Me a poo-poo bear. Love the spelling. You know, I love how you spell bear. Also, me will beat up person who eat Gummy Bear ear. Is this the same person? Why is all the kids so mad about the Gummy Bear's ears? I think the Gummy Bear's fine with it. I mean, the Gummy Bear's just vibing. Like, don't get all so offensive. I know what I'm about to say is really political, but I think green Gummy Bears suck. They're not that great. No one really cares about green Gummy Bears. They're not even that pretty. I love the color green, but I don't think the green Gummy Bears, like, are the best. The red ones or the clear ones are so good. Also, guys, don't forget to mark your calendars because the Gummy Bear album is in stores on November 13th with lots of music and extras. You should go follow my Twitter because why not? And while you're at my Twitter, you should like my tweets because I get like 0 likes per tweet. What is this? Doom Guy is unsuperable. Unsoapable. Period queen, you tell him. Nobody. Me. Ad. A pairs. Also ad. Putting me ad for little kids to learn English. Ad again. I love you and you love me. Me. Only fact that I love about you is that I can fastly skip you. Jeez, this person is probably gonna grow up to be such a heartbreaker. Oh my gosh. Sorry, me rage. r/YoungPeopleYoutube. Oh my god, that's what I'm doing. How cool. I wear glasses. How dare you insult me? Angry emoji, lots of angry emojis. Fan the different angry. I actually didn't mean this. I meant this as a joke. Please, please, please don't put me on r/YoungKidsYouTube. Yeah, about that. Sorry, buddy. And why is the font so weird? Like, do people actually like this font? Because I think this is Android, but like, why do they put the font as this? Like, can you put it normal? Like, it's so ugly. Like, do people actually like this? Let me know. I like fire trucks and monster trucks, Walter. You know what? Very nice, very nice. He's a simple guy. I like it. Or girl. Or non-binary. Hey guys, I have to change my microphone, but yeah, that's why the quality sounds so different, and I'm sorry for changing it like right in the middle of the video, but yeah. Time left 24 hours to execution. Execution. Did I say that right? 23 hours and 35 minutes to execution. Time left 23 hours and 30 minutes to execution. Booking in. Time left 23 hours and 30 minutes. Full body search. This actually seems interesting. I'm probably gonna watch this after I'm done filming this video. At 6 seconds. LOL, a naked guy. I think she's talking, or they are talking about the person in the body scan. I like how they can comment about like anything about like this interesting video, but the one thing they comment is about a naked guy. I don't think this is a YouTube comment, but I think this is pretty brutal. The kid is ugly. Like, come on, dude. You're supposed to feel bad for the kid. And, oh my, this is just so mean. Anyways, I actually really like this book. I suggest you read it. It's pretty cool. I read this book like 6 times, not to flex or anything. Konganiu friend. Do I have to really say any more? I really don't. This just speaks for itself. I mean, look at it. Canadian lab. Oh, me too. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Can you not say that? I'm just 8. Dark Blue said, no one cares. And then this person responded to the 8-year-old and was like, yeah, same. And then responded to Dark Blue, that mean. So this looks like a comment on a Mr. Beast video. This person said, why isn't he president of America? And then a rolling eye emoji. The emoji makes it so perfect. I don't know why, but it's so funny. When he said yeet, I laughed so hard. I'm sorry, I'm never saying that again. I'm so sorry. I think this person's speaking in cursive. Okay, not trying to be rude, but some of you guys milk the oh my god, you guys milk the cursive meme so hard. It was so funny at first, but now like it's just so annoying. It annoys me so much. Mr. Beast, get me a tablet, please. Me too, Sarah. Me too. Well, I don't want a tablet. You know, Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, which I doubt you are, you should get me a car for my 16th birthday. My 16th birthday is in February. So it's coming up, and my parents won't get me a car. Usually, parents get their car. My parents can't afford to get me a car for my 16th birthday. So, Mr. Beast, if you're watching, if you are, please get me a car. It can be any car. I don't care. As long as it can drive and it won't break down in the middle of the street, I'll be so happy. It doesn't have to be a Tesla because, not gonna lie, everyone has a Tesla nowadays. So, you can get me like a Honda Civic and I'll be so happy. Okay, well, I think that's gonna be the end of this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, tell me in the comments if my comments are on. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.